My child, listen to me. I need your attention right now. That heavy feeling in your chest and the fear you can't explain, it didn't come to hurt you. It came because something is about to change. You've been asking yourself questions late at night. Why am I still stuck? Why does it feel like everyone else is moving forward except me? Did I do something wrong? I saw the tears you never showed anyone. I heard the prayers you whispered when no one was listening. And I know how tired you are of pretending to be okay. But hear me carefully. I have never abandoned you. Not once. Even when you felt alone, I was there. Even when doors closed, I was protecting you. You thought those moments were losses, but they were rescues. Some people had to walk away because they were never meant to go where I am taking you. Some plans had to fail because they would have broken you later. I know fear has been speaking loudly to you. It tells you time is running out. It tells you you're behind. It tells you nothing will ever change. But fear is lying. I am working in places you cannot see yet. I am aligning things in ways you don't understand right now. What feels like delay is actually preparation. My child, stop blaming yourself. Stop replaying old mistakes. I already forgave what you keep punishing yourself for. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to be strong every day. You just need to walk with me, one step at a time. When anxiety rises, remember this. I am closer than your next breath. When your heart feels weak, I am carrying the weight you can't hold anymore. The breakthrough you've been praying for is not canceled. The healing you need is not impossible. The peace you're searching for is not far away. Trust me in the silence. Trust me when nothing makes sense. Trust me even when the road feels dark. Because I am walking ahead of you and I will never lead you where my love cannot protect you. Rest now, my child. I am with you. And everything is going to be okay.